Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Bosch GSH5. I'm not going to plug it in because the owner says he got electric shocks off it. That's not a surprise because it's been taped more times than Top of the Pops has been in the 80s. So we'll get into this and see what we can do. First thing I'm doing is replacing this horrendous lead. The screws out here. There, comes off handy enough. Here's a nice new cable with a fitted plug that I prepared earlier, so I'll get that fitted onto here. So new lead fitted anyway. Gone this far, I might as well pull the brushes out there to see what they're like as well. Imagine there could be a bit of wear in them. Oh, they're well down. Like that. Aye, that's what's wrong with her. That's probably why she did stop. The stopper was out. You set the brushes on, it should be as good as new. Let's see what the other side's like. Oh, they're well done. Look at that, I have a set here. Look how far down they were. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? There's an extra wire in these that they don't need because these are for a different model. These are for the 5CE. This is only the 5. Oh. That out of the way first. we don't need that wire, so we're going to cut it off. That's an extra wire. Okay, so that's that done. Put the cover back on. That should be us now. Brushes, brand new lead. It's time to plug it in and see what happens. Here we go. The suspense is killing all of us, isn't it? I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.